First look at the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Supercar Performance Breakdown USA Test Drive. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray enters the American performance landscape with a reputation that few sports cars can match, and this latest version continues the bold mid-engine revolution that transformed the Corvette name from a classic front-engine icon into a modern supercar contender, designed not just to look fast, but to deliver serious performance on real U.S. roads. From the moment you see it, the Stingray's low, wide stance and aggressive proportions signal that this is no ordinary sports car, and while Chevrolet hasn't reinvented the design entirely, subtle refinements for 2025 reportedly sharpened the car's aerodynamics, cooling efficiency, and overall presence, giving it a more purposeful, track-ready look without losing the everyday usability that has helped redefine what American performance means. The sculpted body panels, dramatic side intakes, and angular lighting aren't just visual theater. According to engineering briefings and automotive analysts, they play a key role in managing airflow and downforce, which directly impacts stability at higher speeds. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit continues to be one of the Stingray's most talked-about features, with a layout that wraps controls around the driver, reinforcing the feeling that this car was built to be driven hard, not merely admired. High-quality materials, supportive sports seats, and a digital instrument cluster designed for performance driving suggest that Chevrolet has listened closely to feedback from both enthusiasts and everyday owners, refining comfort without diluting the car's aggressive personality. Under the rear deck sits the naturally aspirated V8 that has become central to the Stingray's identity, and while exact performance figures vary by configuration, industry reports consistently place the Stingray among the quickest cars in its price range, with acceleration and throttle response that rival far more expensive European supercars. The mid-engine layout, once controversial among longtime Corvette fans, now appears widely accepted as one of the car's greatest strengths, improving weight balance and cornering confidence, especially during spirited driving or track use. During U.S. test drives, reviewers frequently note how approachable the Stingray feels even at higher speeds, with steering that is precise, braking that inspires confidence, and a chassis that communicates clearly without feeling punishing on normal roads. This balance between raw performance and real-world drivability is where the 2025 Corvette Stingray truly shines, making it appealing not only to weekend track enthusiasts, but also to drivers who want a supercar experience they can actually live with. Technology plays an increasingly important role as well, with advanced drive modes, performance data displays, and driver assistance features that reflect modern expectations, while still allowing purists to focus on the mechanical connection between car and road. Some critics argue that the Corvette's increasing sophistication risks distancing it from its blue-collar roots, while others point out that this evolution is exactly what allows it to compete globally while remaining distinctly American. Pricing has not been finalized at the time of this overview, but experts suggest Chevrolet will continue its strategy of undercutting many exotic rivals while delivering comparable performance, which remains one of the Stingray's most compelling advantages. As performance cars face growing pressure from electrification, regulations, and shifting consumer tastes, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray stands as a powerful statement that internal combustion performance, when engineered thoughtfully, can still feel thrilling, relevant, and deeply emotional, and that's something worth remembering the next time you hear the roar of a V8 on an open American road.